Hi, I'm Elizabeth. Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I will show you this needlework frame, unboxing and how to fix this. So this is a square kind of frame, 11 by 11, and I got this from US. I thought it would be easier to do cross stitch or embroidery in this. There are two things. One is that it's square frame, and there is that it seems it's easier to tighten. I just found it interesting, so I thought I'll do that. And mainly I thought it may be easier for punch needle. So but right now I'm going to use it for cross stitch. So this is how I have assembled my punch needle. This is a 8 by 8 frame. So when you hold it, it becomes very tight. That's what I've been told. I also don't know. This is a square frame, and when you push it like this, it holds the cloth intact. That is the advantage of this one. I just bought it out of curiosity. So this is how the back looks. Yes, this is an 8 into 8 one. So now let us assemble this one. It comes like this. I'll put the price details and the link in the description because I think it was around $10 or $12. I purchased this from US through somebody who was coming from US. I'm not sure it is available to purchase in India. If I find it, I'll share a link. So these are the 4 pieces. So what I will do is that I will remove all these 4 pieces. Now I will add this. I'll push this here. I'll push this here and push this here, and I'll just add this here so that I push both sides together. Yeah, so now this frame is done. Let's see how this is. I've taken a big cloth. It's actually around 18 to 18. I'm using it for a cross stitch project, so that's why I'm taking such a big project. So then I'll just keep it like this, and I will hold it like this, and I will slowly insert it like this, and I'll just push it into the middle. Okay, I don't think there's any correct way of doing it, but I just want to demonstrate the way I tried and succeeded. So right now I'll just push it like this. It's quite sturdy. Let's see, just become tight. Now let's try here. Now we can try it sliding it here. Though I have a bunch up here. Okay, try here. Next we'll try this. Okay. Now the 4th side. So how this looks, Q-Snap looks, and I'll just push it really well to take off this. Yeah. So now because it is a big cloth, I have an excess of fabric here. This, if you can see, the edges are like this. It slides here. I think looks quite tight, and so this is square frame, and this is how it looks like this. And yeah, so this is Q-Snap frame for you. Thanks for watching.